Alright, so this is the result for task 2, which was just simply changing the symbology for a vector layer. So here I have the counties for Indiana, and I would like to change the symbology from single symbol to something else. Okay, so to accomplish that, if I go over to the contents pane and then click on Indiana, then I can go down here to Symbology. Note this is no longer inside of the Properties menu like it was in ArcMap. And that will open up this Symbology pane. Get rid of this. Okay, so right now we have single symbol, but as you can see there's lots of other options. So I'm just going to show a few examples. So first, here's a graduated caller. Note you can pick a field to symbolize. Let's do percent greater than 55. So that's the percent of the population greater than 55. You could normalize by something. So for example, if we just had a count, we could normalize by the total population to get a proportion. This is your classification method. So we have our natural breaks as the default, and that is trying to use an algorithm to find natural breaks in the data distribution. Quantiles would be equal number of map features per caller bin, equal interval, equal range of values, so on and so forth. If you want to manually pick breaks, you can grab the manual interval option. I'm just going to change this to equal interval, and then again this is the number of classes. Good rule of thumb is 3 to 7, 4 to 8, that range. And then we can pick a different caller ramp if we wanted. Okay, so some other symbologies. This is why we're in here. Let's say we wanted to change this to a proportional symbol. So let's do that. So I'm going to grab a proportional symbol. No, that's a continuous ramp as opposed to bin symbols. So I'm going to change that now to let's just do median income, and then we could change the distribution here of sizes if we wanted. I don't know. Let's change this to like 45. 45. And then you can play with the default color and background and whatnot. So for example, we can give it like a tan background. Maybe we could change our template to a different symbol. For example, we could use a different color if we wanted. Okay, so anyway, that's simply changing symbology of a layer. Actually, pretty simple to do.